Okay? I need you to keep a very close eye on your rules. These rules here. I went through them the other day. You'll need to be able to use them very quickly. Okay? So let's start off with something. Like. Let's do question 5, part 2. Okay? Now, question 5, part 2, guys, is quite easy. All you need to do is, first of all, identify. Are they all the same base as each other? Do they all have the same base number? Does everyone understand what I mean by base number? Do they all have 6s? 1, 2, 3. If they all have 6s, the standard rules apply. What happens when you add 9 and 8 together? Just multiply them and get 72. And then what happens when you take away log 2 from log 72? You divide them. What happens when you divide? You get? How many 6s is required to make 36? No, sorry. How many times do you have to multiply 6 by itself to make 36? Twice. So the answer is 2. Check your calculator if you're not certain. Okay. Let's move on. Yes?
Are you changing to not make
10 the base number. There's a button over here, is there not? What? That button there, where you can put in your own base. Alright? Now. Okay, guys. Question 6. How would you do 6 part 2? Log 72 base 8 minus log 9 over 8 base 8. What would you do here? Green divided by? Just do green divided by yellow. Just divide 72 by 9 over 8 and tell me what you get. What's 72 divided by 9 over? Yeah, perfect. And what's log 64 base 8? How many 8s do you have to multiply by 2 to make 64? 2. How about you with that? So far they're easy. We hope. Now let's keep going. Okay. Alright. I'm going to do one of these. The one I'll do is part 3. Ever see that one? Okay. Now. Alright. What can I change this to? 8 and 1/3. What can I change 8 and 1/3 into? Huh? 25 over 4. Okay. Now. 25. What? 25 over 3, my fault. Now. I'm going to go the opposite way this time. What's the opposite way? Turn division back into subtraction. So what do we do here? Log 25 base 3, take away log 3 base 3. Anybody can tell me what 3 base 3 is? 1, thank you. Turn 25 into what? What's the hint? You want a 5 out of that. So how do we do that? 5 squared. Daily, what do we do with the 2? That 2 there. Put it in front, good man. And what does it say in the definition of the question log 5 base 3 is? Specifies it as A. So the answer is 2A take away 1. And there's going to be other variants of that in the other parts of question 7, okay? Alright? You just got to try and figure it out as best you can. So that's 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now we're going to move on. Now, these ones you're going to be happy with because you did one of these a second ago. You did a much harder version of this a minute ago. So these should be easy to you. Alright. Alright. I will do question 8. Okay. Here's the issue. The power is in the indice. What do I need to do to both sides? We did it earlier today. Log both sides. And when you log it, it's automatically log base 10. Anytime I'm doing a solve question and the letter is in the power position, I log both sides. Works to perfection. Okay? Daily, what you do with the power? And you're going to get x plus 1 log 3. Okay? That's log 25. Now, what you do with the log 3 daily? It's multiply on the left, which means on the right. Do log 25 divided by log 3, please. So, 2 parts, log 25. Oh dear. Log 25 and log 3. And you get a 2.93, let's call it. What can you tell me x is then? Yeah. Okay. You guys are also going to do question 8 as well. So you're currently on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Keep going. Now, this will be loaded up for later to help you out. Alright. Lads, what do you reckon about question 10? Okay. Not as bad as you think. What did I say log daily to the base Kenny is? If log daily to the base Kenny is... Need a second name. Is Alex, let's say, first name. Can anybody tell me what daily is on its own? Kenny to the power of? Does that make sense? It's about moving the numbers around. Basically, every single time, yellow will equal blue to the power of pink. Everybody got that? No matter what's there, yellow equals blue to the power of pink. Let's try this with the same system. I want to get x on its own. How do you get x on its own? If I have log 10, x base 10 equals 1 plus a, what can you tell me x is on its own? Nope. 10 to the power of 1 plus a. Likewise, what can you tell me y is on its own? 10 to the power of? Okay. I want to multiply x by y. So what is x multiplied by y? 10 to the power of 1 plus a by? Yep. What you do with the powers? You add them. And once you add the two of them together, you get 10 to the power 2, and that is? There you go. Not too bad. Right? Again, I'm going to go fast. This will be up later. Look at it then. Okay? Alright. 11. Alright, you should be able to do 14. Change your base, I won't go near it today. You should be able to do 12 as well. So you're going to do 12, 14, and what do they give you? Is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are your questions for tonight. What did I do in class, Fallon?